Hello there, my fellow garden lovers. If you're anything like me, you've walked through those thrift store aisles wondering if that chipped teapot or rusty colander could bloom into something beautiful. Well, today I'm sharing 23 secrets that'll have your neighbors asking, where did you get that gorgeous garden piece? And you won't believe what trick hash 14 does with a broken umbrella. Welcome to Golden Seniors Living, where we turn forgotten treasures into garden gold. If you enjoy discovering peaceful garden magic on a budget, hit that subscribe button. We've got more soul-soothing tips just around the bend. Vintage colander water feature. Got an old metal colander gathering dust? Here's something magical you probably never considered. Flip it upside down over a hidden water pump from Dollar Tree, then thread some fairy lights through all those perfect little holes. What you get is an instant fountain that sparkles day and night, creating this gorgeous cascade effect where water trickles down while tiny lights twinkle like captured stars. The sound is absolutely mesmerizing, and the best part is you don't need any plumbing whatsoever. Just position it near an outdoor outlet or use a solar pump, and suddenly your garden whispers with trickling water and twinkling stars that dance together in the most enchanting way. It's not just a hack, it's liquid starlight right there in your backyard. Broken terracotta fairy village. Don't toss that cracked flower pot. I know it looks like it's destined for the trash, but here's where we turn disaster into pure garden magic. Break it further into stepping stone pieces, but do it thoughtfully, creating chunks of different sizes. Now arrange these broken pieces like a tiny fairy staircase winding up your garden wall or around a tree trunk. You can nestle small succulents in the cracks, add some moss between the pieces, and maybe even hide a few solar fairy lights underneath. Suddenly your space has whimsical depth and these magical pathways that cost you absolutely nothing but tell such a beautiful story. Sometimes the most beautiful things in our gardens come from what others might call beautiful breaks. Old vinyl records garden art. Those old vinyl records from the thrift store with scratches too deep for music. They're about to spin into the most stunning garden art you never saw coming. Drill a few drainage holes around the edges, then use them as unique saucers under your larger planters, or mount them on fence posts at different heights to create rotating kinetic garden sculptures that catch sunlight and cast dancing shadows. The grooves create perfect water channels for drainage, and when a breeze catches them, they slowly spin and shimmer like oversized flowers turning toward the sun. Your garden gains this incredible retro charm with moving elements that change throughout the day, proving that even music that can no longer be heard can still make your heart sing in completely new ways. Old ladder herb spiral. Found a wobbly wooden ladder at a yard sale. Don't let those unsteady legs discourage you, because we're going to lay this beauty flat and transform it into something absolutely stunning. Position it horizontally on the ground or against a slight slope, then fill each rung section with different herbs arranged by height and harvest time. Start with low-growing thyme and oregano at one end, then graduate to taller basil and rosemary at the other. This creates an instant spiral herb garden that seems to reach toward heaven itself. Now your cooking herbs cascade like a living recipe book that you can harvest daily, and every meal you prepare becomes a love letter written by your very own garden. Thrift store teacup bird feeding station. Those mismatched teacups and saucers calling your name from the thrift store shelf. They're about to become the most charming bird feeding station your neighborhood has ever seen. Mount them at varying heights on an old coat rack you can find for a few dollars, then fill some with seeds, others with fresh water, and a few with tiny succulents for year-round beauty. The different levels create this delightful feeding hierarchy that accommodates birds of all sizes, from tiny finches to bold cardinals. Your garden transforms into a charming bird cafe that brings wildlife right to your window, and suddenly your morning coffee comes with the sweetest soundtrack, because every creature, no matter how small, deserves to dine in style. Broken dresser drawer cascade planter. See that damaged chest of drawers someone left by the dumpster? Those drawers are pure garden gold waiting to be discovered. Pull them out carefully, give them a gentle sanding if needed, then mount them in descending steps along your fence line. Plant each drawer with trailing flowers that spill over the edges like living waterfalls, maybe some sweet potato vine, trailing petunias or cascading nasturtiums. The effect is absolutely breathtaking as seasons change and different plants take their turn stealing the show. Suddenly your boring fence becomes a living artwork that changes with the seasons, proving that it's not just recycling, it's pure resurrection of forgotten beauty. Dollar Tree Solar Light Chandelier. Those $1.25 solar pathway lights from Dollar Tree seem too simple to create real magic, right? Think again. Remove them from their stakes and carefully wire them into an old wire basket or that colander we talked about earlier. Then hang the whole creation from a sturdy tree branch. The result is this gorgeous chandelier effect that provides magical evening glow without any electricity costs. Your outdoor dinners now happen under soft, sustainable starlight that costs just pennies to run and creates the most romantic atmosphere imaginable. Sometimes the simplest solutions create the most stunning moments that guests will remember long after they leave. Vintage suitcase herb garden. That worn leather suitcase with broken latches sitting in the corner of the thrift store. It's about to embark on its greatest adventure yet. Line it carefully with heavy plastic sheeting. Drill a few drainage holes in the bottom, then fill it with quality potting soil to create a portable herb garden that can literally travel with the sun throughout your yard. As the seasons change and sun patterns shift, you can simply pick up your entire herb garden and move it to the perfect spot. Now your kitchen herbs have stories to tell and adventures to remember, and you have the flexibility that every gardener dreams of. Every garden should be ready for its next journey. Old window frame vertical garden. Found a weathered window frame without glass at an estate sale. You've just discovered the perfect foundation for living art. Stretch chicken wire or hardware cloth across the back, then secure small pots in each window section to create a grid of growing possibilities. Mount it vertically against a wall or fence, and you have instant living window art that you can change with the seasons. Plant spring bulbs in some sections, summer annuals in others, and maybe some evergreen succulents for year-round structure. Your blank wall now blooms with organized beauty that changes monthly and tells a different story each season. It's not just a garden, it's truly a window into wonder. Thrift store bowl water garden trio. Those mismatched ceramic bowls looking lonely on the thrift store shelf, they're about to become your personal Zen retreat. Group 3 different sizes together. Fill them with water plants like small water lilies or lotus, then add floating candles for evening magic. The key is creating different levels and textures. Maybe one bowl elevated on a plant stand, another nestled among hostas, and the third reflecting sky from a low table. Your stress literally melts away as you watch lily pads dance in the breeze and candles flicker like prayers in the evening air. Peace isn't something you purchase, it's something you cultivate one gentle ripple at a time. Dollar Tree tomato cage topiary. Those basic wire tomato cages seem so ordinary hanging on the garden center wall. But here's where we flip the script entirely. Turn them upside down so the narrow end points up, then train ivy, morning glory, or sweet peas up through that narrow top opening. What you get are these elegant cone topiaries that look like they were designed by professional landscape architects. The plants naturally want to climb and spread, creating this gorgeous full cone shape that adds sophisticated structure to any garden space. Your garden gains the kind of professional design elements that usually cost hundreds of dollars, and sometimes elegance really is just about turning ordinary things upside down. Vintage milk crate modular garden. Those plastic milk crates from the thrift store are about to revolutionize how you think about garden layout. Line each one with landscape fabric to hold soil, then stack and rearrange them seasonally to create modular raised beds that adapt to your changing needs and energy levels. In spring, create a low configuration for easy planting. In summer, stack them higher for better drainage and less bending. Fall cleanup becomes simple when you can just rearrange the whole system. Your garden layout changes with your needs, proving that flexibility isn't just for yoga classes, it's for gardens that grow and change right along with you. Loving these budget-friendly transformations so far. There's plenty more magic ahead, including one that turns a pegboard into the ultimate garden organization station. Old boots whimsical planter path. Those worn work boots destined for the trash bin. They're about to take the most beautiful victory lap of their entire working life. Line them up along a garden pathway, Fill each boot with colorful annuals that spill over the tops like celebration confetti, and suddenly you have the most whimsical garden walkway anyone has ever seen. Choose different boot styles if you can find them. Work boots, rain boots, even old cowboy boots, each one telling its own story of honest labor and faithful service. Every step through your garden now tells the story of hard-working hands and blooming hearts, proving that even retirement deserves its own special victory lap. Broken umbrella trellis magic. That umbrella with torn fabric but perfectly sturdy spokes. Don't let that damaged canopy fool you into thinking it's worthless. Remove the fabric completely. Give those spokes a fresh coat of outdoor paint in whatever color makes your heart sing. Then stake the handle firmly in the ground. You've just created the perfect bean teepee, or climbing rose support that adds instant architectural interest to any garden space. The spokes create natural divisions for different climbing plants, and the height draws the eye upward, making your whole garden feel more spacious. Your vertical space blooms with purpose while adding the kind of structural element that garden designers charge big money for. Sometimes the most broken things make the strongest foundations for new beauty. Dollar Tree pegboard garden station. Need organization but absolutely hate the cluttered chaos of most garden sheds. Here's your solution hiding in plain sight at Dollar Tree. Mount a simple pegboard on your fence or shed wall. Add hooks and small containers at different heights, and you've created the ultimate outdoor tool and supply station that keeps everything visible and within easy reach. Hang your hand tools, small watering cans, packets of seeds, even small pots and planters. Everything has its place, and everything stays dry and organized. Your gardening flows so much more smoothly when you're not hunting for tools or supplies. And organization really isn't just about tidiness. It's genuine self-care for gardeners who want to spend more time growing and less time searching. Thrift store cake pan succulent display. Those vintage bundt pans looking for a new purpose beyond baking. They're about to become the most elegant succulent displays your patio has ever seen. Fill the center hole with decorative stone or pebbles for drainage, then arrange different varieties of succulents around the ring, playing with colors, textures, and heights to create stunning living wreaths that change throughout the seasons. The circular design naturally draws the eye and creates these perfect conversation pieces for patio tables or garden benches. Your outdoor living spaces now feature artwork that never needs watering, rarely needs attention, and just keeps getting more beautiful as the plants mature. Beauty really doesn't always need to be complicated to be absolutely breathtaking. Old fence picket plant labels. Got broken fence pickets from a neighbor's renovation project. Those weathered wood pieces are about to become the most charming plant labels your garden has ever had. Cut them into stakes of varying heights. Sand them smooth so they feel good in your hands. Then paint them with chalkboard paint for reusable plant markers that weather beautifully and actually improve with age. You can write plant names, planting dates, even little notes to yourself about care instructions. Your garden stays organized while maintaining that authentic rustic charm that feels genuinely yours rather than store-bought. Even old boundaries can grow into something beautiful when we see their potential instead of their limitations. Vintage birdcage hanging garden. That ornate birdcage missing its little songbird. It's about to house something even more beautiful than any feathered friend ever could. Fill it with trailing plants like string of hearts, trailing jade, or cascading pothos. Then hang it at eye level where it becomes an instant focal point that draws the gaze upward and creates vertical interest. The ornate metalwork provides natural support for the trailing vines, and the whole effect is romantically charming in a way that photographs beautifully from every angle. Your garden gains the kind of vertical interest and romantic charm that makes visitors stop and stare, proving that sometimes old cages become freedom for something even more beautiful than what they originally held. Dollar Tree rope light garden edging. Want defined garden beds without expensive hardscaping that breaks the budget? Here's a solution that literally lights up your landscape every single evening. Bury Dollar Tree rope lights along the edges of your garden beds, with the solar battery pack hidden nearby among some plants. and suddenly you have illuminated borders that guide your steps every evening. The soft glow makes evening watering safe and magical, and during dinner parties or quiet evening moments, your garden pathways become these glowing rivers of light that transform the entire space. The best gardens always know how to light their own way through the darkness. Thrift store serving tray seed starting station. Those silver serving trays, looking tarnished and forgotten. They're about to become your secret weapon for seed starting success. Line them with a layer of pebbles for drainage. Add small pots filled with your favorite seeds. Then add just enough water to create humidity without drowning your future plants. The metal conducts heat gently. The raised edges contain any spills, and your kitchen counter stays completely protected and organized throughout the entire germination process. Your seed starting success rate soars when you give those tiny plants the perfect environment from day one, and every master gardener knows that success always starts with that very first successful seed. Old wheelbarrow mobile herb spiral. Found a rusty wheelbarrow that's definitely seen better days. It's about to become the most practical mobile garden you never knew you needed. Fill it with soil arranged in an ascending spiral pattern. Then plant herbs by height, with the shortest at the outside edges and the tallest reaching toward the center. The beauty of this system is that you can wheel your entire herb garden to follow the sun throughout the day, ensuring every plant gets optimal light. Your herbs thrive in perfect conditions, while you enjoy the convenience of portable harvesting that brings fresh flavors right to your kitchen door. Sometimes the very best gardens are the ones that know how to come to you. Dollar Tree Mason Jar Greenhouse Cloches. Want to extend your growing season without building an expensive greenhouse? Those large glass jars from Dollar Tree are about to become your secret weapon against unpredictable weather. Use them as mini greenhouses over tender seedlings, creating instant protection from cold snaps, harsh winds, and even light frost. The glass creates a perfect microclimate that holds warmth during the day and releases it slowly at night. Your growing season extends naturally, while delicate plants stay cozy and protected in their individual glass houses. Sometimes the smallest shelters nurture the biggest dreams, and these little glass guardians prove that protection doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. Vintage Chandelier Garden Art Centerpiece. That crystal chandelier from the estate sale is about to become the crown jewel of your entire garden. Weather seal it thoroughly with marine-grade spray. Then hang it from the sturdiest tree branch you can find. Train jasmine, clematis, or even grapevines through and around the arms, creating this living crystal garden sculpture that sparkles with morning dew and catches evening light like captured starfire. The combination of elegant metalwork and living greenery creates a focal point so stunning that neighbors will slow down when they drive past just to admire your creativity. Your garden gains an element of such unexpected elegance that it becomes a true conversation piece, proving that true elegance isn't about perfection, it's about the magic of transformation. From colanders to chandeliers, from broken pots to blooming possibilities, we've discovered that magic doesn't require a massive budget, just creative eyes and willing hands. You know, gardening in our golden years isn't really about soil and seeds, it's about soul and story. Every thrift store treasure we rescue, every dollar store find we transform. We're not just decorating our gardens, we're proving that beauty can bloom anywhere, that creativity has no expiration date, and that the most stunning transformations happen when we see potential where others see only the past. Because every bloom in your garden is a little thank you from the universe for not giving up on beauty, for not giving up on growth, for not giving up on the magic that lives inside everyday things. If just one of these ideas brought a smile to your face today, give us a gentle thumbs up. It truly helps more garden lovers discover these budget-friendly transformations. And I'd love to hear from you. Which hack made you think, I could absolutely do that? Or better yet, what forgotten treasure in your garage just got a new lease on life? Share your stories below. Your creativity inspires our whole Golden Seniors Living family. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Seniors Living, where your creativity keeps growing, your budget stays happy, and your garden becomes a testament to the truth that the most beautiful things in life aren't expensive, they're just waiting to be discovered. Until next time, may your thrift store adventures bloom into garden gold, and may you always see magic hiding in the most ordinary places. Happy gardening, dear friends.